Today, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Qwen AI using your iPhone. Let's start from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your application. On the screen, you can see the option of sign in. Tap on it. You are given three options to log in into your account. Either you can sign in with Apple, Google or Facebook. So let's sign in from Apple. Continue with your Touch ID. Then tap on continue. Again you have to tap on continue. Tap on continue. In order to access the app, you have to subscribe to yearly access or weekly access. For now, let's try the trial version. So toggle on the switch of trial version and click on try for free. Now you have to add your payment details in order to access the app and type in all the information requested, and you will be able to create a Qwen account on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos, and don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.